today we are going to find out best trains among Thomas train, Benton train and local train. Are you ready? Okay, let's start with local train. See, it contains animals in the upper. What's this? Rat. Is it rat? Whoa, what is this? Cheetah, are you here? Oh, lion. Where they are going? This train is moving or not? Train is not moving, I'm thinking so. Oh, rat, cheetah, lion. There are many animals hidden there. See, cat. I find out cat there. Do you? Yeah, see, cat. Zebra, are you here? Oh my God. See how many animals are there. Wow. Chimpanzee, monkey, cow. Oh my God. Hippopotamus also there. What is that? Train engine, I think so. Is it? Yeah, it's a train engine. This train is started. Wheels are moving. Oh, light is also there. Oh my God. Wow. Nice light. Super. Okay. Nice idea, nice. What, chimpanzee? What you are looking for? Let's go, Ashi. What to do? It's not moving. Oh.
Animals, Cheetah na, okay. Okay. ఏంటిది ఏది డిషా అండి ఎలా ఏది ఇదా ఏంటిది గొరిల్లా ఎలా వెళ్తుంది గొరిల్లా ఆచి ఎలా వెళ్తుంది గొరిల్లా చూపించు కమ్ బ్యాక్ అలా వెళ్ళిద్ది గొరిల్లా ఎక్కడ చూసావు ఆచిలో చూసావా మరి చీత ఎలా వెళ్తుంది చీత ఎలా వెళ్తుంది చీత సరే సిడా ఓకే చిన్ను ట్రైన్ మూవ్ అవుతుందా రావట్లేదు ఎందుకనమ్మా అమ్మ జీబ్రా వస్తుందా అమ్మా నాకు జీబ్రా అంటే భయం క్యాట్ అంటే కూడా భయమే కౌ కూడా భయమే అమ్మో నాకు భయం నీకు అమ్మో నీకు కూడా భయమేనా మంకీయా మంకీ ఏంటి అలా చూస్తుంది ఎందుకు మంకీ అలా చూస్తుంది ఎందుకుంటా ఎలా అలా వెళ్ళిద్దా మంకీ
Okay, now let's start our second train, Benton train. Green Benton. Ooh. contains Ben 10 cartoons. Do you like it? Ben 10. I like it.
Ashida, what is the train, Chinu? Ben 10. Woo! అమ్మా Ben 10 ట్రైన్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. బెంటన్ ట్రైనా? నీకు ఇష్టమా బెంటన్ ట్రైన్ అంటే? అమ్మో
What? Moving is very easy. Oh, it's very nice. Okay, Ashi, okay. Brendan is very good. Now it's time for Thomas. Wow! What an entry! Thomas! How are you, my bag? Lovely! Hi! Thomas! Thomas! Okay. My lovely Thomas. Wow. Easy to move, easy to carry, very flexible. Okay, let's see the review. First we are going to check this local train. Red one is on and off button. It's very comfortable for on and offing. But whereas coming to this, no words. It's worst. Worst. Very less weight. See, it's very less weight. Engine itself is very weight, but no use. Coming to the tracks. See how much delicate it was. It's even broken. And not even used one time also. Even though it was broken. I think it's better to throw it in a dustbin. It's the deserved place to this local train. It's worst of two worst. This one cost is 300 rupees. Waste. Local train is failed totally. Now coming to the Ben 10. Ben 10 does not need anything. Wheels are too good. Plastic is good. It's worth. Somewhat better compared to previous our local train. Now coming to Thomas train. Thomas trains comes like building blocks. Those blocks are very strong. See how much strong it is. Very hard to break. It's very nice. See how hard it is. You can use it multiple times, as I said. It's the main part. See how cute it is. See the wheels. How easy to move is. Very strong enough. Very strong. You can use this train multiple times. So, which one is the best train? Can you tell me? Thomas. Today's winner is Thomas train. Congrats, Thomas. Congrats.
Bad fish, chew, not take.